will explain on value stream and how to identify waste related to lean manufacturing in this video. In order to flow the value stream and deliver value products to the customers, we must learn how to identify waste in a manufacturing process. You can refer to my previous video which explained about value in details. I will put the link below. By the end of this video, you will be able to recognize the 7 ways in your manufacturing process, which is a first step towards process improvement and bringing value to the customers. In order to understand waste from a lean perspective, we will need to know what is value stream. Let's define what is value stream here. Value stream is actually a set of all actions or activities consists of value added or non-value added that is required to bring the specific product or services from the raw material through to the customers. In other words, it is what a company and also an upstream suppliers do to make a product and deliver it to the end customers or the consumer in exchange for money. Value stream is important as it is every activities that we do. Just an example here, the value stream of a product could begin with concept designs, the raw materials itself, the parts manufacturing, the assembly plants, distribution, customers, and each of these entities also has its own value stream. Waste will hinder the flow of the value stream and impact the productivity and efficiency. After we know that there are wastes exist during product transformation, and now it is time for us to identify the waste in the value stream in order for us to manage or eliminate them in the future. There are 7 ways according to the lean manufacturing, which has the acronym of Tim Woods. So the first one, transportation. It is actually the movement of the parts between one location to another location. And the more movement it is, the more waste we are creating. The example would be that moving parts from warehouse in another building to a production area. The next is known as inventory, is excess material, either in raw material, in work in progress parts, or in finished goods that are waiting for customers to buy. And we know that inventory will tie up the financial resources. A perfect example will be reject material from your production, which is waiting for rework. This is also a type of inventory. Next is motion. This is a human movement which does not contribute to the transformation of the parts. For example, an operator has to stretch out the hands to get the part which is placed too far away. And then next is waiting. So this is where the parts that's needed for the process steps, it does not arrive and operator is idling. This could have caused by material shortage or waiting for the material to arrive. The next one is overproduction, where a manufacturing line will produce more than what is required by customers. And actually, overproduction will also create inventory waste. For example, a large lot size in one process which could cause inventory waste. The sixth waste is over-processing, where redundant work which does not transform product. For example, performing 2 to 3 times inspections on the same part. Inspection does not transform the products. It is actually a waste in a process. And the last waste is defect. Any parts that fails specifications or fail customers' requirement, where it will either the example will be those rework or scrap unit, which also cost money.
So now we have got to know Tim Woods, which is Tiger Woods' younger brother, as a reminder of all these 7 ways. I would like to go through with you one more ways which is related to the skill sets of underutilizing a people's skills. That means it could be putting people in the wrong job, so we are unable to optimize an individual's potential. Do enroll in my course on Practical Lean Management at Udemy, an affordable course provider. This course is for manufacturing quality engineers, supplier quality engineers, where you will learn about the basic lean tools, the 5S Kaizen error-proof vision management standardized work, and how to apply them and flow the process to improve the value stream and customers' value. Lead a Kaizen activities using all the lean tools, and also lean in Industrial Revolution 4.0 manufacturing. This course comes with 5 downloadable files which include Kaizen templates and 5S template. Click on the link below to understand more about the course, and you can also reach out to me through LinkedIn with the link provided below for a special rate. I hope that by now you will be able to recognize all the 7 ways in your process. Then only you can have plan to eliminate them. Do like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get notified on the future video, which will enable you to achieve consistently good quality product. Thank you for watching, and see you in my future video.